Hi viewers, welcome to the Current Affairs Show. Current Affairs, Zara Hatke. Let's begin with the current affairs of 16th of June. Now let's discuss the first news. There's a very famous film named Chennai Express. But now you all have to remember Cargo Express. Yes students, Cargo Express, the first timetabled freight train which was flagged off from Delhi to Bangalore. Vidyanjali, a school volunteer program, was launched by the Education Minister. The aim behind this program is to increase the quality of education in the schools. So now, what could be the question from this news? The question from this news will be the name of the program. The name of the program is Vidyanjali. The question could be, name the program which was launched to increase the quality of education. So my answer will be Vidyanjali. 3,049 people registered their name in the Guinness Book of World Record for performing the largest ever Karma Nach. This was held in Madhya Pradesh. Students, do you want to know who will represent India in the recently St. Petersburg International Economic Forum? Yes, the answer is Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, who is right now the Minister of State of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Save Our Seniors. The Help Age SOS app was launched by the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Kiran Bedi. The aim of this app is to help the seniors in distress at any time. The most powerful nuclear icebreaker named Arctica was launched by Russia. So now, let's discuss some agreements. Uber has signed an agreement with Tata Motors to help its drivers to buy Tata Indica and Tata Indigo with less difficulty. The cabinet approved the MOU between India and Taiwan in the field of agriculture and air service. The cabinet also approved the agreement between ISRO, which is Indian Space Research Organization, and CSA, which is the Canadian Space Agency in the field of outer space. So now, let's talk about some important awards. Why the awards are important? Because we have seen that exam mein kam se kam, there's minimum one question or two questions will be from this section. So what we are waiting for? Let's discuss the important awards. The Jamnalal Bajaj Award for Fair Business Practices has been given to Karnataka Bank Limited. The 2016 Pen Pinter Prize has been given to the Canadian writer and poet Margaret Atwood. The 2016 Vivian Fonseca Scholar Award has been given to Shashank Shah. Anjan Datta, the Assam Pradesh Congress President, died in Delhi. Finally, the sports news. India won the ODI series against Zimbabwe 3-0. Who was the man of the series? It's KL Rahul. So students, do you want to know what is the official slogan for the upcoming Rio Olympics 2016? The answer to this is a new world. This has been confirmed by the 2016 Olympic Committee. So now, let's look at the important highlights. So students, that's it for today. We will be come back with the next video very soon. Till then, be happy, be confident, be a follower of Adda 247, and most importantly, do share your feedbacks and do subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.